The world is looking up to New India as every day the country is setting new benchmarks. One recent accomplishment of India is that it has emerged as the third largest auto market. For the first time, India has eclipsed Japan in auto sales. India's sales of new vehicles totaled at least 4.25 million units, topping the 4.2 million sold in Japan. New vehicles delivered in India totaled 4.13 million between January and November 2022. India's sales volume is expected to rise further with the inclusion of pending fourth quarter sales figures for commercial vehicles. According to Nikkei Asia, the easing of the automotive chip crunch in 2022 provided a springboard for a recovery. Along with Maruti Suzuki, Tata Motors and other Indian automakers saw sales growing during the last year. The production-linked incentive schemes for automobile and auto components has managed to attract a proposed investment of Rs 67,690 crores against the target estimate of investment of Rs 42,500 crores over a period of 5 years. The Ministry of Heavy Industries in its overview statement mentioned, the overwhelming response shows that industry has reposed its faith in India's stellar progress as a world-class manufacturing destination, which resonates strongly with Prime Minister's clarion call of Atmanirbhar Bharat or a self-reliant India. These numbers surely will take away the sleep of Harvard-educated P. Chidambaram and the Latvian journalists as well as the opposition who had been ranting all along that India's manufacturing and automobile sector is in doldrums. The new India is surely making the lives of those difficult who had kept the country poor for decades and not channelized its resources so as to make Bharat Atmanirbhar.